Welcome to Cricket, and today I decided to make mac and cheese because the Try Guys made some, so I decided to as well. Anyway, we start off by bringing 2 liters of water to a boil. We add a generous amount of salt and about 2 tablespoons of oil. While waiting for that, in my favorite pan that people judge me for, I added about 1 cup of diced bacon, and I stir that occasionally until a nice color is reached. Then I add some chopped onions and saute those. Back to our pasta. Once the water starts to boil, I add 2 cups of pasta. I used these shells. Stir in every minute or so until al dente. Drain the water but reserve about half a cup. Set the pasta aside because now we work on our cheese sauce. To a saucepan on medium heat, add about half a cup of butter and get that bubbly. Then you add about a 1/4 cup of flour and whisk continuously. Whisk that until it forms lumps. This is called a roux. Then we add milk and whisk until you have a smooth bechamel sauce. Now we add about 2 cups of grated cheese of your choice. Whisk and make sure that it doesn't bubble or burn. Remove from your heat once nice and smooth and cheesy. Now to our pasta, stir in your bacon and onion mix. Then we add some breadcrumbs. Finally, we stir in our delicious cheese sauce and place it in an oven-safe container. Add some grated cheese and some parsley. That goes into an oven at around 180 degrees for 20 minutes or until you get this. Ooh. Let's see what Rihanna has to say about it.
Okay, this stepping a little hard.
Okay, don't forget to share this recipe with your crush. Okay, bye now.